I got down there. Oh yeah, you see it. You know where I'm going. Prime Day. Oh man, they treated me well. I saved $25. Man, I had to just, pack it up and say, hey, I'm going to return it because I'll wait for a lightning sale. Brought me back to the Turner G 1/16th Monster Beetle time, man. I remember taking that car upstate to a place. Yeah, I had to, have some fun in the winter time in the snow, parking lot fun. And, oh man, I busted a spur gear. Had to make an order. Oh man, it took forever for that thing to come. But at least I had another vehicle with me to have my fun. And when I got it back up and running and working, I had loads of fun with that vehicle. Loads of fun. Actually, it was upstate. No, it was like New Hampshire, Hampton, and all the places up there. And I remember those places, man. What memories. I think I want to just go just a little bigger. Just a little bigger. Just a little bigger. You got it. 1/114 scale would do me just fine. MJX 14210, 14209, maybe the drift vehicle. I think that would be great. But then I watch videos. Oh man, just a little pebble stone in the floor, not gonna make the fun good. So yeah. Drop off as easy as 1, 2, 3. Just as much as ordering. It's 1, 2, 3. So let's get on out of here. Have a good day. I couldn't use my funds at all. And it is what it is, man. How do you like that? That bad boy is big. So now I returned it. I could go use my free funds. My vehicle will be a lot cheaper if asked. I'm happy, and that's what counts. And I like using my 1/10 Traxxas Rustler VXL. And I got some added parts. I'm gonna have some fun with it. And that's what I'm gonna use. It goes a great distance. It goes very fast. It does jumps if I want it to. And it lasts forever. I got it for what? 6 years now? Loads of fun it is. I'm gonna take that fun, those funds, put it over here for these funds and get what I really want. And that's gonna take some time. And I hope you can get that from my story. It's not about getting and returning. It's about enjoying what you got. I hope you got that message. I'm Fish, and I'll catch you later on many other videos to come.